Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Lorraine and I have been playing with my bloom paints, and I was thinking about what would happen if I used the bloom paints in a flip cup. What would it do? So I have a previously used canvas here, so if it doesn't turn out, oh well, it's already been used. So move this up. I've already put some house paint down on the canvas just to help things move a bit. And I'm going to start out by putting some of my cell creator in the bottom of this cup. Put a generous amount of it in there. And then I have some ultramarine blue. And I want to use these colors up because they've already been sitting for a little while. I have some quinacridone magenta. Put that in there. And I'm just layering it. I'm going to put in what's left of my 24 karat gold. And some turquoise. And then I have a little bit of this prism violet left. Scoop that in there. I don't want to really scrape the cups because when this dries it leaves chunks on the sides of the cups. I don't want big chunks in there. I might have a little bit more of my ultramarine. Finish these off. Now these colored paints are mixed with an untinted house paint and Minwax varnish. Okay, and my cell creator is the Australian Floetrol with Amsterdam titanium white. So I'm going to try and flip this right in the middle. You'll give it a minute to kind of do its thing and slide down the cup. I want to make sure all that cell creator that was in the bottom comes out. Let's give it a lift here. See what happens. Just going to let this dribble. Maybe I'll drag it through to give it a little bit of interest. Okay. Don't know if we're going to see any cells pop up or not. There are some in the cup. Not sure if I can show you. Right in there. Well, let's see what happens when we move it around. Ooh, there's a lot of air in there. See if we can get some of it to go. Okay. what we can make this turn into. I'll bring it down to the corner. Not quite off the corner yet. Bring it back. I'm getting some little webbing or lacing going on. I don't know if it's going to stay when I stretch it. To wait and see. And it's rolling, so I'm going to put a little bit more of my white paint here. So I'm going to keep as much of that as I can. There we go. Down. Don't want it quite off the edge yet. So I'm going to bring it back to the middle. It's very pretty colors together. I am really impressed with that. Shoot her down to that corner. Just going to walk it over to the edge a little bit. Oh, it's down there. Let's get it right off the edge. I can just pop it back on with my hand. Okay. Give it a turn. Back to our center. Bring it till the weight of the paint's right there, so I want to bring it down towards that edge and to the corner. Just over the edge, and I'm going to bring it back. Okay, wow, this is really cool looking. Wasn't sure what would happen putting that cell creator in there. You get some nice cells there. Got some other cells popping up. Some of it is from the combination of the metallic paint that I have in there. And I'm going to put a little bit more paint here. Because I want it to be able to get down to that corner. So we'll move it down that way. Looks like I have a visitor. Hey Mocha. One of my puppy dogs come in to visit with me. He's not a very good painter though. His paws get messy and then it gets on the carpet. I have a lump there and I don't know if it's a lump of paint or if it's a bubble. I think it was a bubble. So now I'm going to push her and stretch this on down. Cover that very last corner. Okay. It's pretty cool. The colors are gorgeous. I don't have any lacing really to speak of. See if it needs to move back to the center a little bit. And let's see what we can do with this. Okay, it looks like my corners need to be covered. I'm just going to pick up a little bit of paint and put it on the corners. touch those up a little bit. Touch this one up a little bit. It's really cool. I'm going to give it a torch because there are a lot of air bubbles in here. And we'll see what happens when I torch it. So the answer to my question is yes, you can do a flip cup with your bloom paints. But no, you're not going to get much lacing going on. It's very pretty. It's very shiny. Get a lot of shimmer from the 24 karat gold. I'm going to get some larger bubbles that were resistant here. Those might give us the appearance of some cells when I get them popped. Can't really see them unless you look sideways at them. Okay. Well guys, let me know what you think of this. I think it's pretty cool looking. Not what I expected. I expected it to lace up a little bit. But nonetheless, it is made a very pretty composition. I like the way it's all blended here. As you can see some turquoise cells coming up through. It may change as it's drying. So, like I said, let me know what you think. And thank you for coming and visiting with me tonight. I appreciate it. And I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. That helps my channel out quite a bit. And let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear it. I'll see you next time. Bye.